Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. You know, there's nothing more frustrating than being stuck on the side of the road with a dead car battery. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid all that stress and hassle? What if you could have a reliable car battery charger that's got your back, no matter what? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car battery chargers of 2024. Before, please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more updates. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. Number 5. Noco Genius 1A Smart Car Battery Charger. Meet the Noco Genius 1A, a smart charger that's more than meets the eye. Imagine a charger that not only maintains your battery but also rejuvenates it with precision and care. This charger is like a guardian angel for your car's power source, ensuring it stays healthy and ready to go at a moment's notice. Number 4. Battery Tender Plus 12V Battery Charger. Enter the world of the Battery Tender Plus 12V, a charger that stands the test of time with its simplicity and reliability. Picture a charger that treats your battery with the utmost care, like a gentle caretaker ensuring its longevity and performance. With a warranty that speaks of confidence and quality, this charger is a true classic in the world of car maintenance. Number 3. Tech CS18. Step into the future with the Tech CS18, a charger that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Imagine a charger that not only charges your battery but also keeps you informed and in control through an intuitive app. This charger is like a tech-savvy assistant, guiding you through the charging process with precision and ease. Number 2. Ably Battery Charger. Discover the Ably Battery Charger, a powerhouse of efficiency and reliability. Picture a charger that works tirelessly to revive and maintain your battery, ensuring it stays in peak condition for the long haul. With a design that prioritizes safety and effectiveness, this charger is like a loyal companion you can always count on. Number 1. Battery Tender 021-0123 Junior 12V 0.75 A Battery Charger and Maintainer. Meet the Battery Tender 021-0123 Junior, a compact yet powerful charger that's always by your side. Imagine a charger that not only charges your battery but also keeps it in optimal condition with its smart features and intuitive design. This charger is like a reliable sidekick, ensuring your battery is always ready for action. So, which one is right for you? Now that we've explored the top 5 best car battery chargers of 2024, it's time to think about your own needs. Do you prioritize versatility, reliability, or tech savviness? Whatever your style, there's a charger on this list that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.